Welcome to the UCSF Primary Care General Internal Medicine Residency Training Program, or UCPC-GIM. Our goal is to train leaders in primary care and general medicine who are committed to building equity in healthcare. We provide outstanding clinical training in outpatient and inpatient general medicine while fostering resident skills in leading meaningful change in healthcare. Graduates of the program have gone on to become leaders in all aspects of general medicine, including academics, research, health systems innovation, public policy, advocacy, health professions education, and community-based primary care.
I chose to come to UCPC because the program's values closely align with my own. Overall, there is a very strong culture of respect. Respect for the patients, respect for the clinic staff, respect for trainees, and so on, which unites around the common goal of providing high-quality, evidence-based care for patients with incredibly diverse attributes and needs. There is an emphasis on team-based care and team-based work, which provides a really realistic and holistic representation of how we will build our careers around becoming physician leaders.
I think I was looking for a program that was nice, like nice people, chill people, honestly, people who really just was not hierarchical and also wanted to serve the community, also cared about health equity and contributed to health equity in their own way.
I chose UCPC because the program aligned with my goals of wanting to care for socioeconomically, medically, and culturally diverse populations. Also, the people here have been so warm and welcoming. My mentors so far have been very invested in my interests and future career goals, and my co-residents have become essentially family.
It was really important to me to find somewhere where you felt very comfortable, where you felt very supported and safe. And I think that, I love being at UCSF. I love being at a large program. And I really love that being specifically part of the UCPC-GIM track, that there is a small group where, you see each other very regularly, you see each other frequently. You can really share the experiences you have and the concerns you have, but also the successes you have, and really have a strong response and really feel like there's a strong community.
I remember on my interview day getting to meet all the residents, and faculty, and staff, and just being struck by how kind and smart everyone was and how dedicated they were to patient care. It was so clear how much they cared about each other and about all of their patients, and I just knew that this was a community that I wanted to continue to learn from and learn with.
What excites me about our program is really the sense of community that we have. I think everyone within our program, from my co-residents in UCPC to our attendings and our program leadership to our nursing staff, our admin teams, everyone is just so understanding and helpful to be around and supportive. And I think it's just so nice to be able to come into clinic and feel like I'm with people that I know really well and that know me really well, and kind of have that sense of family and landing within a home base.
One of the main reasons that I chose UCPC-GIM was for the incredible flexibility it offered me personally to be able to pursue my individual clinical and scholarly interests.
It's really that great mix of what you need to know, and then on top of that, what you're passionate about and what you want to know.
The focus on leadership in UCPC is very strong. I'm also part of the health systems leadership pathway here in the residency, and to have the collaboration with my co-residents who are also interested in leadership in medicine, as well as the support of that program and all of the extra UCPC didactic support, I really feel like I'm getting equipped with the training that I need to become a leader in healthcare.
What allows us to provide outstanding training in primary care is the diversity of patients that we see. At our Mount Zion General Medicine Clinic, we have the most diverse patient population of any site within the UCSF system.
And I love training in San Francisco, and especially at a clinic like Mount Zion, where we really have such a diverse patient population. So for me, when I'm in clinic on a typical half day, I usually have at least one non-English speaking patient. And then I have a lot of patients who live in the Tenderloin. I have others who work fancy tech jobs. And I think learning to take care of so many different patients with different needs has, one, broadened my ability to care for many patients, and also helped me understand what I do and don't appreciate in a primary care job, so that I can think about what I want in the future.
The reason why I chose to come here and why I love this program is the diversity of patients I get to see. Everyone from like the most underserved in San Francisco to the most wealthy tech people in San Francisco are all on my patient panel. I think that just lends itself to really great training and learning for me as a budding primary care provider.
Because we accept all insurances, we get to see patients from all walks of life, from those who are incredibly medically complex, coming from Moffitt, to some more bread and butter, general internal medicine, to patients who are really struggling socioeconomically. And I feel like I'm getting a really broad training that I'll get to carry forward with me.
We are committed to helping you become who you wish to be, the leader in general internal medicine. We have deliberately set up our curriculum so that as an intern, then as a second year and as a third year, you work side by side with folks who are your peers and slightly ahead of you in training.
And it's been so important for me to be surrounded by peers and mentors who I can really trust and can process some of the really challenging parts of medicine with, as well as learn and grow and cheesily laugh together.
We've developed a curriculum that provides core experiences in order to build the knowledge base and skills that you need to be successful in general internal medicine. This core is balanced with opportunities for individualization, with experiences and electives that are unique to your particular training and professional goals.
Everyone has this incredible shared understanding and expectation that our job as their medical team does not end once they walk out of the clinic. Our job has to do with advocating for them in so many more areas of their life than just what we can accomplish in a clinic visit.
Yeah, I second just feeling like you have someone to turn to no matter where you are or what rotation you're on. You have your special group or your special people that you can lean on, and it feels like there's always someone there to support you.
I just really love the people in UCPC. Everyone's just so kind. All the seniors are so supportive, such great teachers, and just make you feel very welcome.
I feel like everybody is really craving community right now with COVID, and it's kind of crazy that just 4 months into intern year, I already feel like I kind of have a family here in UCPC that I can turn to when things get hard, so it's really special.
I'm saying it again for the second time. It's the people. It's the people.
Our curriculum allows you to build skills in population health, panel management, advocacy and equity, systems-based practices, so that you can work effectively in any healthcare system once you finish your training.
And my mentors in UCPC really supported me as my career aspirations have been evolving, and I'm so grateful for all of the wonderful mentorship that I've had in this program.
Coming from a small med school program, I wanted to have a place where I felt like I was I had a voice, and also I could go to the program directors for mentorship, and definitely UCPC provides all of that and beyond.
And I'm videoing today from one of my favorite spots in Golden Gate Park, which is the bison paddock in the park. As you can see, there are several bison right here behind me. Like when I interviewed here, the people that I met, like faculty, our admin team, the residents who are already in the program, they're just so warm, friendly, really like excited to meet everyone and excited to like learn about you and work together.
What I would want applicants to know about UCPC is that it welcomes in new members with open arms and open hearts. It's a really strong community of folks who support one another through good times and hard times.
I see so many people going above and beyond for their patients every day. And I think that really sets the standard for what we will be like in the future as primary care doctors. I feel very grateful to learn in a place like this where going above and beyond is the standard.
I think UCPC does a really good job of drawing applicants and future residents who have a shared vision of what primary care can look like and just really want to connect with their co-residents and learn from them and share these 3 years with them.
So I guess I have to say, you know, for me, UCPC is definitely the ideal program, and certainly if you have any inkling or interest in primary care or general internal medicine, whether that's hospital medicine or outpatient medicine, I think you should really consider UCPC.
So again, I'm so happy that you have applied to our program. I look forward to meeting you in person or virtually very soon.